Welcome to US MedTech Insights. In a significant move last week, Brazil's regulatory agency, ANVISA, announced a groundbreaking fast-track approval pathway for AI-driven medical software. This is aimed at accelerating the adoption of cutting-edge diagnostic and monitoring tools in Latin America's largest healthcare market. The new framework promises to slash review times by up to 50% for qualifying software as a medical device, or SAMD, particularly those leveraging machine learning for medical imaging analysis and digital pathology. For medtech innovators, this signals a golden opportunity to enter the Brazilian market and address critical healthcare needs with unprecedented speed. This could be a game-changer for companies specializing in AI diagnostics who were previously hesitant due to Brazil's historically complex and lengthy approval process. However, this opportunity comes with a critical and challenging condition. Alongside the fast-track announcement, ANVISA, in coordination with the National Data Protection Authority, has issued stringent new data privacy and cybersecurity mandates, updating the existing RDC 657/2022. These rules, heavily inspired by Brazil's General Data Protection Law, the LGPD, impose strict requirements on how patient data is handled, processed, and stored. The regulations now demand robust data localization measures, meaning certain types of sensitive patient data must be stored on servers within Brazil. Furthermore, the requirements for patient consent have been significantly enhanced, potentially invalidating some existing international clinical datasets for submission purposes. This creates a hidden compliance minefield that can easily trap unprepared companies. The immediate impact is a duality of opportunity and obstacle. We are already seeing the effects on the ground. Consider the case of a promising US-based scale-up that was poised to introduce its AI-powered oncology diagnostic tool. They were excited by the fast-track news, as their platform could significantly improve early cancer detection rates. However, their entire market entry strategy was halted when they discovered their global data handling protocols were not compliant with the new Brazilian requirements. Their clinical data, gathered in the US and Europe, did not meet the new specific consent language required by ANVISA. Now they face a costly dilemma: either invest in a new Brazil-specific data infrastructure and potentially reconsent patients, or abandon their entry plan, delaying access to vital technology. This scenario perfectly illustrates the complex regulatory landscape in Latin America. The rewards are immense, but navigating the specific local challenges requires deep expertise. For help navigating these complex challenges, you can email or visit Pure Global.